Hello, it's Mandy. It's warming up this spring and the native stingless bees are coming out of their hives looking for nectar and pollen. To welcome them back into the garden, I thought that we could make some little buzzing banana bees. Aren't they cute? Quick, go wash your hands and we can get down to our stations and I can show you how you can make this little buzzy bee. All right, here we are. We've got our banana, we've got our cocoa, we've got our crackers, sultanas, almonds, and some almond butter. Let's make a bee. First, we need to get our thumb to be able to peel our banana. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. We pop our skin to the side. Sometimes it can be a bit easier. Depends how ripe the nani is. Now I think my stinger might go there, but first I'm going to make some stripes, some little black stripes for my bee. I'm using my knife to paint some stripes with the butter. Little teeny tiny bits. I think I'm going to do about 2 stripes. Could use your finger as well, but I'm just going to use my knife. All right. This will make it nice and sticky for the cocoa to stick on. And I'm pinching that up and passing it on to make my stripes. Very messy, but I feel like it's going to be really delicious. 2 stripes? All right. Let's see if I can get a stinger in. Scrape that off. I'm going to make a little slit there at the back and put an almond in for a stinger. So I've got stripes, a stinger. I need some eyes. I might use this again as glue for my eyes. I'm going to pop my sultanas on. Buzzy, buzzy eyes. Now I'm going to try and make some wings. So I might break my cracker in half and I'm going to push them into my banana because the banana is quite soft. Look at my buzzy banana. Oh, it's so cute. Let's have a look, shall we? All right, are you ready to eat this little buzzy bee? Which bit do you think you might eat first? I might try one of the sultanas. Sweet. A bit sticky in my teeth. All right, I might sniff it. It does smell like banana. Lick it. Give it a kiss. All right, I'm gonna give it a munch. Oh, I got some cocoa on my lips. I might try the cracker. It's very crunchy in comparison to the banana. I can hear it playing. And how about the stinger bottom? Delicious. I hope you enjoyed making your buzzy bee today. Go down to the garden, see if you can find some bees there. They're very important for our growings of fruits. I'll see you next time. Bye.